This is the first ever hypercar Frankenstein drift car, and it's crazier than you think. A guy named Mike Whittet, also known as Mad Mike, was famous for drifting his Red Bull-sponsored 4-rotor Mazda RX-7. He also has a custom-built wide-body drift-spec Lamborghini Huracan named Nimble. However, this was not mad enough for Mad Mike, as he would create his next drift car by combining a McLaren P1 GTR and a McLaren 650S GT3 together. Mad Mike would call this new project Mad Mac. He would remove the original 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 and swap in a turbocharged 2-liter 20B rotary engine instead. The high-revving rotary engine was able to put out 1,000 horsepower. Mad Mike and his team took only 100 days to create this Frankenstein drift car, and it was revealed at the Goodwood Festival of Speed.